How to send photo in Tinder chat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can send a photo in Tinder chat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to send photo in Tinder chat, it's quite simple, right? You open up the Tinder application and then you're going to see this type of interface. So if you have a match and then you've been talking and then now you decide you want to send pictures, well, unfortunately Tinder doesn't allow users to send pictures directly in messages. This is done for safety and security purposes. Tinder will not allow you to send pictures, but if you want to send a picture, there are other ways to do so. You can exchange each other's social media platforms and send them pictures over there, or it could also be that you want to go ahead and then basically send a link, and that link will get uploaded. Let's say you upload it somewhere in Google Drive or somewhere, then you can send the link to that so that they'll be able to view it. Other than that, you can't directly send within the Tinder app. So hope this video helped you as to how you can send pictures in Tinder chat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.